Welcome to MZ AutoZ, your go-to channel for the latest and greatest in the automotive world. If you love cars as much as we do, make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for exciting content. Today, we're diving into one of the most anticipated muscle cars of the year, the 2025 Ford Mustang GT500. Ford has once again pushed the limits of power, performance, and design, making this beast a true masterpiece on wheels. Let's start with what's under the hood. The 2025 Mustang GT500 is rumored to pack a monstrous 5.2-liter supercharged V8 engine, delivering an estimated 800 horsepower. That's right, Ford is taking things up a notch, giving this pony car even more muscle to dominate the streets and the track. With lightning-fast acceleration and a top speed that easily exceeds 200 mph, this is a car built for adrenaline junkies. Performance isn't just about power, though. Ford has refined the aerodynamics, adding a more aggressive front fascia, a larger rear wing, and improved airflow to enhance stability at high speeds. The lightweight carbon fiber components also contribute to better handling, making the GT500 not just a straight-line monster but a corner-carving machine. Expect an upgraded suspension system, adaptive dampers, and a high-performance braking setup to keep all that power in check. Stepping inside, the 2025 GT500 blends modern technology with classic Mustang heritage. A fully digital instrument cluster, a massive touchscreen infotainment system with Ford's latest sync software, and premium materials give the cabin a high-end feel. Racing-inspired bucket seats and a flat-bottom steering wheel remind you that this car is built for performance. And yes, Ford is likely keeping the option for both a dual-clutch automatic transmission and a manual gearbox, ensuring enthusiasts get the driving experience they crave. Now, let's talk sound. If there's one thing Mustang fans love, it's the roar of a V8, and the 2025 GT500 does not disappoint. With an active exhaust system, expect a deep, thunderous growl that will turn heads wherever you go. Ford has always kept the Mustang GT500 at the top of the muscle car game, and this latest version is no exception. With breathtaking speed, aggressive styling, and cutting-edge technology, it's set to be one of the most exciting performance cars of the year. That's all for today's video. Let us know what you think about the 2025 Mustang GT500 in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to MZ AutoZ for more amazing car content. See you in the next one.